Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to remove the background in Canva. So let's assume you have a picture, you're designing something and you want to remove the background. Let me just upload a picture and then remove the background from there. So let's say I want to upload let me choose a picture with good background. Let's say something like this, and I want to remove the background of this particular picture. You can access it with the background remover here above here. Just click on background remover and the AI in Canva will automatically remove the background for you. You don't have to do much. Alternatively, you can see that it has removed all the background for you, and we only have the image. But if we notice, we see that in this particular image there was a spear beside him, and it seems the AI also removed that. So to prevent that from happening, there's another way to go about it. You can click on edit, and it will bring you to a page where you can select the items to actually remove or have. So we can this background remover is the same thing with this background remover here. So you can easily erase what you do not want, but that will take a whole lot of time. That is usually used for if there is a small blemish or a little area where you do not want. So but this magic grab is the best tool to use. We will just magically grab the spear and the man. Click on the man, we'll click on the spear also, and then we'll grab and once highlighted in purple, we'll grab them. We'll wait a few seconds and our image would be ready. So once this image is ready, so we can now isolate them from the full image, and the background will be behind. Then we can delete it and take this back. So this is how to remove the background properly on Canva. If this video has been helpful to you guys, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving your comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.